Winner stays in?
Yeah. We're all gonna have a go. All right, who's next? Okay.
I bow you out.
Ow. Even done.
Right. Ready? Go.
Wait.
No, you gotta go. No.
Yeah.
But move your beer.
Okay, let's put the beer in it.
Yeah. Ready? Go.
This guy is
Oh. Did you go? Oh, you went first, right?
Okay, alright. He's tired now.
I need a loser's bracket after this. Alright, ready?
Wait. Okay.
Go. Oh. Oh, you're pink.
Stand still.
Changing color.
We're gonna battle.
Oh, come back.
That's some pro wrestling
Oh,
shit
man.
right here.
Oh, who wants it more?
Wow.
Damn.
We did this, whose house did we go to last time we came out?
Oh, man.
Oh my god.
I don't remember. It's been a while.
He's fighting! He's fighting it!
The guy who builds the fight sticks.
Zodiac? Huh?
Too much
The guy who
testosterone.
builds the
I
fight
can't take
sticks.
it.
Yes, Remy.
Remy.
Yeah.
I
You don't have to go.
I just sit back and watch.
Oh, you don't have to.
I am actually.
Ultimate strength.
Oh, shit.
All right, ready? Go.
Is she now?
Hand. Oh.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Go.
Come on, Bill. Come on,
Oh! What the fuck is going on?
Oh.
Don't play too much. Don't play too much. Okay, let's bring it back to life. Bring it over here.
Pull. Pull.
You.
I seriously.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's like saying like next to the 6 in the
All right, ready?
Get that
Go.
initial win.
Woo! Even. Oh shit.
I gotta like breathe right now. Like, there's too much on me right now. I know you're not even trying. Let's go. Come on.
Ultimate tactic of combat.
Okay, right arm grand finals. Let's go. Ooh.
Oh, he's starting to sweat over there.
I have the storm.
Oh shit. No, you haven't lost yet.
He's baiting him in. Okay, crank some pressure.
More in you, man. You got more in you. You can tell. Yeah. You can tell. Nope. Okay.
Exhibition. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Takes it easy. Why you making me laugh? Stop making me laugh.
Don't lose.
Avenge. The Avengers here. Avengers. All right.
Ready? Go.
No, yeah, you're not even trying. I can see by your face, you're like, wait, what are you?
Who's calling it?
Okay, ready? Go.
Go.
Oh, he is pretty strong. I saw
He is.
saw you struggling against him.
He is, yep.
Wear him down,
Oh, wear him down. Josh's arm looks like a leg.
He got me though.
Go.
What's he drinking? I got him.
You got Josh first.
He's toying with me.
Yeah, that's tough. You too, actually.
Trying to keep this pain as slow as scary as possible.
Hey man, you gotta make it entertaining for a little
Ready? Go.
Choose your destiny.
Keep those elbows down.
Oh shit.
No, he's playing with him. He's playing with him. He's playing with him. He's playing. Is he playing? I can't tell. Yeah, he's playing with him.
He's resting his foot on the thing. It's not even.
Okay, ready? Go.
Oh, you are pretty strong.
He is. He is. That left arm is no joke with her. Grand finale.
The grand final and also round one. 3, 2, 1, go.
I appreciate this, man. Thank you. I really do.
Get her!
I don't know which one to get it.
Fight.
Left hand final. 3, 2, 1, go.
Use the tip.
3, 2, 1, fight.
West versus East. New York versus Thing.
Get her ass! New York versus Las Vegas. I don't know, whichever one. Hold up.
Oh. Good job, both of you. Beautiful ladies.
She's strong, man. Fight.
Look at that posture. Student there. Yeah, right there.
You mean that posterior?
You got the bony elbow in that.
Gotta make sure you maximize the usage of all the muscles in KO.